All right, in the directions for this problem, they tell you to use your calculator to solve. So to use my calculator to solve, I type it into Y1, and then I hit graph, and my guess is I'm not going to see a whole heck of a lot. I don't see anything. The issue is, my vertex happens at x equals 27, and y, oops, sorry about that, and y is 173. So I need to change my window. My vertex is at 27, so I probably want to go quite a bit bigger than 27 to have this parabola come back and hit 0. So I'm going to let my x min be -10 still, and maybe my x max be 50. And then my y min is okay at -10, I guess. My y max, I need to go higher than 173. Maybe I'll go to 200. Alright, so now I can see the graph, and I'm looking for these two x-intercepts here. So I go second, calculate. I want the zeros. And I need a left bound, so I need to get left of this dot over here. Enter. Right bound, I get right of that dot. There it is. I make a guess. Right there. 13.7, so probably 14 I would call it as one answer. And then I'm going to go through the same process and find it over here. Calculate the 0 again. And again, it wants a left bound. So I want to be somewhere to the left of this spot that's down here. And then a right bound. And then a guess. And about 40 would be my other answer. Now, how do we solve this by hand? We actually haven't gotten there yet. But I'll give you a little preview. To solve this by hand, we would use a method called the square root method. So what we would do, oh, that has a minus in it right there, I forgot the minus. I want that to be red in math mode there. Alright, so what we would do to solve this one by hand is we would subtract the 173 on both sides. And then we would divide both sides by the 0.98. And let's see, this is a very nice program that I have here. It allows me to simplify things. I don't know what those little green lines are. I'll take those out. That's a 176.53. All right, then we want to get the a all by itself. To get rid of the a, to get rid of the square, I mean, we would do a square root on both sides. So we would have a minus 27 equals, and we remember that when we do square roots, there's two of them. There's a positive one and a negative one. The square root of 176.53. And then finally, to get the a all by itself, we would add 27 to both sides. So our final answer would be a equals 27 plus or minus this square root thing. All right, and then we would grab our calculator, type that up, and simplify, and that would give us our final answer. Like I said, we haven't gotten to that yet. That's section 9.3, 9.4, somewhere in there, solving by the square root method. But this is coming soon, so it doesn't hurt to show it to you today. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have more questions.